A very warm good morning to all. Today I am going to take a lesson from your English textbook, A Truly Beautiful Mind. When we look at this chapter, we can find it is a biography of Albert Einstein, who was a great scientist and whose discoveries made world to develop. So, we can go through the lesson. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in German city of Ulm without any indication that he was destined for greatness. So, he was born in German city of Ulm in 1879 March 14. Without any showing he will be great or he will be a scientist. On the contrary, his mother taught Albert was a free. The contrary means he did not attend any class. He did not play with his friends. He only played with his mechanical toys. So his mother thought he was a free or mad. For her, his head was too much large. Because her mother thought he was a freak because his head was so much large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking when he finally did learn to speak. He uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do. With other children and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So the youngsters played by himself much of the time. So when he get up to the age 2.5, Einstein not well to speak, but he wasn't talking to anyone. He was only making him alone. He uttered when he speak with others. He uttered everything twice. He takes the words twice and twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So, other children and his playmates called him Brother Boring. That the Brother Boring means who do not play with any other ones. He always played with his mechanical toys and do not attend any classes. So the youngster played with himself much of the time. So he always played with the youngster small boys. So everyone called him Brother Boring. He especially loved mechanical toys, looking at his newborn sister Maja. He said to have a son, fine, but where is her wheels? So, as especially we said, he was a not like other kids. He's a little freak. So, when he loved mechanical toys so much. When he got a newborn sister, he asked first that where is her wheels? That I didn't see any wheels on her. So this we can understand he was not as especially other kids. He was a special kid. But who knows? This special kid makes the world different. Who knows? He will get into a scientist. So I am concluding my words. Thank you.